Hi, my name's Erica. Let's check out what it's like to be a comm major here at UNLV.
Welcome to UNLV and the Department of Communication Studies, where we focus on enacting interpersonal, group, and public communication solutions for resilient and sustainable communities. How do we do that? 3 words: relate, motivate, communicate. Let's go.
Our faculty and professors are fun, friendly, and experts in their field. When it comes to relating to others, senior lecturer Jenny Farrell is an expert on relational communication.
Hi, come on in. As a comm major, you'll learn how to create, foster, and strengthen the important relationships in your personal and professional life. We offer some great courses in interpersonal communication and relating. Some of my faves are Intro to Interpersonal Comm, Issues in Relational Comm, Nonverbal Comm, Conflict Management, and Online Relationships. You should check them out. I hope to see you in class.
Majoring in comm studies can help you motivate others for powerful change. Associate Chair of the department, Dr. Jake Thompson, can explain our pathways and unique internship opportunities.
In Communication Studies, we offer 3 pathways for students to focus their coursework and graduate on time with marketable communication skills that help secure a job. Depending on your interest, you can focus your studies in one of 3 areas: public communication and advocacy, organizational and professional communication, or interpersonal and relational communication. One of the great new classes that we're offering in the department is Comm 322, Public Policy Advocacy. This class stresses experiential learning as students gain advocacy skills that help them fight effectively for causes that they care about. We also have a one-of-a-kind internship opportunity for comm students. Some of our amazing partnerships include positions in the offices of U.S. Senators with the nonprofit Spread the Word Nevada and the Vegas Golden Knights. Go Knights, go!
Meet Stephanie Willis, an alum from our department, as well as a lecturer here. You might take a Reddit class from her or find her here in the Comm Lab.
Hi, and welcome to the Comm Lab. We have state-of-the-art private soundproof rooms for students to practice and film their presentations and get one-on-one feedback from our comm coaches. Super cool, right? But developing your public speaking skills is just one thing that you'll learn in your comm major. You'll also learn how to problem solve and critically analyze messages all around you.
Having a set of marketable skills after graduation is like hitting the jackpot, but we all want to know, what can you actually do with a comm degree?
Hi, good to see you. As you can see, we have a lot of exciting opportunities happening in communication studies. Our program is grounded in setting you up to have a career success in professional communications. Many of our majors go on to work in politics as political analysts and lobbyists, or become leaders of nonprofits. They also work in healthcare as healthcare administrators. Some even become entrepreneurs and digital content developers. When you know how to relate to others by building strong relationships, how to motivate others through advocacy and leadership, and how to communicate your message effectively, you'll be well situated for success in the real world. What can you do with a degree in communication studies? There's endless possibilities.
Relate, motivate, communicate.
Major in Communication Studies.